Hi there, nature explorers. Welcome back to Daisy's Animal Facts, the show where we journey into the wonderful world of amazing animals and discover some of the most incredible creatures on our planet. I'm your host, Daisy, and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you join me on another fantastic adventure into the animal kingdom. Today's episode is about one of the most powerful and magnificent birds soaring through our skies. They're incredible hunters with eyesight that's 8 times better than humans. They're amazing flyers that can soar for hours without flapping their wings, and they build some of the largest nests of any bird in the world. These spectacular birds are symbols of strength and freedom and have been inspiring people with their majesty for thousands of years. Can you guess what they are? That's right, eagles. So grab your binoculars, put on your explorer's hat, and get ready for an incredible wildlife adventure. We're heading high into the mountains and soaring over rivers and lakes to explore the amazing life of eagles, where incredible power meets breathtaking flight, and every day is full of surprising discoveries. Let's spread our wings and begin our learning journey. Eagles are some of the most extraordinary and powerful birds in all the world, and they're absolutely amazing when you learn about their incredible hunting abilities and remarkable flying skills. These spectacular birds are much more impressive than many people realize and are some of the most successful predators in the entire sky. Wild eagles are absolutely magnificent creatures that can have wingspans reaching up to 8 feet across and weigh between 6 to 14 pounds depending on the species. Female eagles are usually much larger than male eagles, which helps them be even more powerful hunters and better nest defenders. What makes eagles extra special is their incredible combination of powerful flight, amazing eyesight, sharp talons, and impressive hunting ability that makes them perfectly adapted to life as sky predators. They have everything they need to be successful, from excellent vision to powerful wings and incredibly strong feet. Adult eagles have gorgeous feathers that help them blend in with their environments while also showing their impressive size and strength. Most eagles have dark brown or black feathers with distinctive white markings that make them easy to identify when they're soaring overhead. The most famous feature of many eagles is definitely their bright white head feathers and tail feathers that develop when they become adults. These striking white markings make mature eagles absolutely unmistakable when they're flying through the sky. Eagles have incredible curved beaks that are perfectly designed for tearing apart their food. These powerful beaks are incredibly strong and sharp, allowing eagles to handle even the toughest prey with ease. Eagles have large, bright yellow or golden eyes that give them the most amazing eyesight of almost any animal on Earth. Their excellent vision can spot fish swimming underwater or small animals moving on the ground from incredible distances. The powerful wings of eagles are perfectly designed for soaring and gliding with incredible grace and efficiency. These strong wings allow eagles to ride air currents for hours without getting tired and reach amazing heights in the sky. Eagles live in some of the most beautiful and diverse environments all around the world, and these incredible birds can be found near rivers, lakes, oceans, mountains, and forests on every continent except Antarctica and South America. These amazing birds love areas near water where they can find plenty of fish to catch. Rivers, lakes, coastal areas, and wetlands provide eagles with the perfect combination of food sources and tall trees for nesting. Wild eagles prefer areas with lots of tall, strong trees that can support their massive nests. These nesting trees need to be sturdy enough to hold nests that can weigh hundreds or even thousands of pounds after years of building. Many eagles live in mountainous areas where they can use rising air currents to soar high above valleys and spot prey from incredible distances. Mountain environments give eagles the perfect vantage points for hunting. Eagles are incredible habitat choosers who select territories that provide everything they need, including good hunting. grounds, clean water, suitable nesting sites, and minimal disturbance from human activities. The environments where eagles live often have specific requirements for successful reproduction and raising young. Eagles need quiet areas where they won't be disturbed during the sensitive nesting season when they're caring for their babies. These amazing birds can be found at different elevations, from sea-level coastal areas to high mountain regions over 10,000 feet above sea level. Eagles are incredibly adaptable and can adjust to many different climate conditions. Wild eagles prefer territories that they can use year after year, often returning to the same nesting areas for decades. They choose locations that provide consistent food sources and safe nesting opportunities throughout their long lives. Eagles have some of the most amazing and specialized features of any bird in the world. And every part of their incredible body is perfectly designed for being powerful sky predators and magnificent flyers. The most incredible thing about eagles is definitely their amazing eyesight that's about 8 times better than human vision. They can see small fish swimming underwater from hundreds of feet in the air and spot tiny movements from incredible distances. Eagles have incredibly powerful talons that work like built-in fishing hooks and hunting tools. These sharp, curved claws can grip prey with tremendous force and are strong enough to carry fish that weigh several pounds. These amazing birds have excellent hearing that helps them locate prey even when they can't see it clearly. Their sharp hearing can detect the splash of fish jumping or the sounds of small animals moving through grass and leaves. Wild eagles have special nostrils that can close completely when they dive into water to catch fish. This amazing adaptation prevents water from rushing into their nose when they're fishing and helps them swim underwater if necessary. The feathers of eagles are perfectly designed for different types of flight. With long primary feathers for soaring and smaller contour feathers that provide insulation and help with precise flight control. Eagles have amazing flight muscles that make up about 15% of their total body weight. These powerful muscles give eagles the strength they need for takeoff, rapid acceleration, and carrying heavy prey back to their nests. These incredible birds also have specially designed bones that are hollow but incredibly strong. This lightweight but sturdy bone structure helps eagles be powerful flyers without being too heavy to soar efficiently. Eagles have excellent color vision that helps them spot prey against different backgrounds. They can see more colors than humans and can detect subtle differences that help them identify food sources from amazing distances. Eagles are incredible communicators who use a combination of sounds, flight displays, and body language to talk with other eagles and defend their territories from intruders. Eagles make loud, piercing calls that can be heard from over a mile away. These powerful calls help eagles communicate with their mates, warn other eagles to stay away from their territory, and call to their babies. When eagles are defending their territory or trying to impress a mate, they make spectacular flight displays with dramatic dives, loops, and soaring patterns that show off their amazing flying abilities. Female eagles make softer chirping sounds when they're communicating with their babies. These gentle calls help keep eagle families together and let the babies know when it's safe to come out of the nest. Young eagles make high-pitched begging calls when they're hungry or want attention from their parents. These urgent calls usually bring the adult eagles back to the nest immediately with food. Eagles also communicate through their posture and the position of their feathers. A relaxed eagle has a different appearance than an alert eagle that's watching for danger or preparing to hunt. When eagles spread their wings wide and hold them in specific positions, they're sending messages to other eagles about their intentions. These wing displays can show aggression, submission, or readiness to mate. The way eagles position their head and neck also tells other eagles important information about their mood and intentions. Alert eagles hold their heads high, while relaxed eagles have a more casual posture. Eagles are incredible hunters and fishers with some of the most impressive and specialized hunting techniques of any bird in the world. And these amazing predators have developed strategies that make them incredibly successful at catching food. Wild eagles are fantastic at catching fish by diving down to the water's surface and grabbing fish with their powerful talons. They can spot fish swimming near the surface from hundreds of feet in the air and dive down with incredible accuracy. These amazing birds are also excellent hunters of waterfowl like ducks and geese. Eagles can chase these birds in flight or catch them when they're resting on the water, using their superior speed and power. Eagles use their incredible eyesight to locate prey from amazing distances. They can see a fish jump from over 2 miles away and can spot small mammals moving through grass from heights that would make other animals invisible to most predators. Many eagles are opportunistic feeders, which means they'll eat whatever food is most available in their area. This flexibility helps them survive in different environments and during seasons when their preferred foods might be scarce. Some eagles are scavengers who help keep their environments clean. By eating fish and animals that have already died, this scavenging behavior makes eagles important members of their ecosystems. Wild eagles have incredible timing and patience when hunting. They can sit motionless for hours, waiting for the perfect opportunity to catch prey, then strike with lightning-fast speed when the moment is right. Baby eagles learn hunting techniques by watching their parents and practicing with sticks, leaves, and other objects. This play behavior helps young eagles develop the skills they'll need to be successful hunters when they're adults. These amazing birds can soar at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour when they're diving to catch prey. This incredible diving speed makes them some of the fastest birds in North America and gives them tremendous hunting advantages. Wild eagles are fantastic soarers who can ride air currents for hours without flapping their wings. They use rising warm air, called thermals, to gain altitude and then glide for miles while barely using any energy. When eagles need to travel long distances, they can fly at cruising speeds of about 30 miles per hour while flapping their wings steadily. This efficient flying style helps them cover hundreds of miles during migration. These spectacular birds are also excellent at flying in challenging weather conditions, including strong winds and storms. Their powerful wings and excellent flying skills help them navigate safely through difficult flying conditions. Eagles are incredibly graceful when landing and taking off, despite their large size and heavy weight. They can land gently on thin branches or take off from the water's surface while carrying heavy fish. Young eagles are amazing learners who develop their flying skills gradually over several months. They start with short flights from the nest and eventually become expert flyers capable of incredible aerial maneuvers. Wild eagles can fly at different altitudes depending on what they're doing. From just above the water's surface when fishing to thousands of feet high when traveling or searching for prey over large Ease. These amazing birds can also hover in place when they're hunting, using their powerful wings to stay in one spot while they watch for the perfect moment to strike at prey below. Wild eagles usually mate for life, forming strong pair bonds that can last for many years. These devoted couples work together to build nests, raise babies, and defend their territory from other eagles. Eagle pairs have complex courtship behaviors that include spectacular flight displays, gift-giving of sticks and food, and synchronized calling that helps strengthen their relationship and prepare them for nesting season. Adult eagles are very territorial and will fiercely defend their nesting areas from other eagles and potential threats. They have specific territories that can cover several square miles around their nest site. Male and female eagles share many parenting duties, taking turns sitting on eggs, bringing food to babies, and protecting the nest from predators and bad weather. Eagles have excellent memories and can recognize individual eagles in their area, even when they don't see each other for long periods of time. This recognition helps maintain territorial boundaries and social relationships. Wild eagles often have favorite perching spots where they spend time resting, preening their feathers, and watching their territory. These perches are usually high trees or rocky outcrops with excellent views of the surrounding area. Female eagles lay their eggs in massive nests that can be over 6 feet wide and several feet deep. These enormous nests are among the largest bird nests in the world and are built to last for many years. Eagle eggs are absolutely beautiful, with a creamy white color and shells that are thick and strong to protect the developing babies inside. Most eagles lay between 1 and 3 eggs, depending on the species. Baby eagles, called eaglets, stay in their eggs for about 35 days before hatching. During this time, both parent eagles take turns keeping the eggs warm and protecting them from weather and predators. Newly hatched eaglets are covered in soft, fluffy down feathers that keep them warm, but don't allow them to fly. They're completely dependent on their parents for food, warmth, and protection. Baby eagles grow incredibly quickly and can gain several ounces every day when they're getting plenty of food from their parents. This rapid growth helps them develop the size and strength they need to eventually leave the nest. Parent eagles are incredibly dedicated to feeding their babies and may bring food to the nest dozens of times every day. They tear food into small pieces that the eaglets can swallow safely. Young eagles learn everything they need to know about being eagles by watching their parents and practicing important behaviors like flying, hunting, and recognizing danger. The time baby eagles spend in the nest, called the fledgling period, lasts for about 10 to 12 weeks. During this time, they develop their flight feathers and build the muscles they need for flying. Eagles are much more important and remarkable than many people realize, and these incredible birds play crucial roles in their ecosystems while showing us amazing examples of power, grace, and successful wildlife conservation. Wild eagles help keep their environments healthy by eating sick and injured animals, which prevents diseases from spreading to other wildlife. This scavenging behavior makes eagles important for ecosystem cleanliness. These amazing birds also serve as indicator species, which means that healthy eagle populations usually indicate healthy ecosystems with clean water, abundant fish, and good habitat quality. Scientists study wild eagles to learn more about bird behavior, migration patterns, and environmental health. Research on eagles has taught us incredible things about how birds navigate long distances and adapt to changing environments. Wild eagles represent an incredible conservation success story, showing us that dedicated protection efforts and environmental cleanup can help animal populations recover from very low numbers. During the mid-1900s, eagle populations dropped to dangerously low levels in many areas due to pesticide poisoning, habitat loss, and hunting. Some eagle species came very close to disappearing completely. Wildlife biologists and conservationists worked for decades to save eagles through banning harmful pesticides, protecting nesting areas, and careful monitoring of eagle populations and breeding success. Today, many eagle populations have recovered so successfully that they're no longer considered endangered species. Eagles can now be seen in areas where they had disappeared for many years. Scientists continued to study eagles using advanced technology like satellite tracking and genetic analysis to better understand their needs and develop more effective conservation strategies. And that's our incredible adventure exploring the amazing world of eagles. From their powerful flight and incredible hunting abilities to their important role in ecosystems and their fascinating family behaviors. Eagles show us that these magnificent birds are truly some of nature's most impressive creatures. Thanks for soaring through the spectacular world of eagles with us today on Daisy's Animal Facts. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible sky predators, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for our next adventure into the animal kingdom. And remember, The more we learn about amazing animals like eagles, the better we can appreciate and protect these magnificent creatures. Until next time, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and stay curious. Friends, the skies are full of amazing creatures with incredible adaptations and fascinating lives. And every discovery helps us understand just how wonderful and important wild animals really are.